Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello dear friends, it's me Sindhu Suresh. In this video we are discussing exercise 9.1 questions 4, 5 and 6 from the chapter Some Applications of Trigonometry. To answer the questions from this chapter you must know the trigonometry ratios and their relationship between the sides. Also you must know the values of trigonometric ratios given in the trigonometry table. I have already done a video about trigonometry table. I shall give you the link in the description box. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. We must use a vertical line to denote a tower or a tree or a building. Okay, here it's a tower. So we have to use a vertical line to denote a tower. Then for the ground we should use a base line. And it's given from a point 30 meter away from the foot of the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. If we look above, then the angle is angle of elevation with the line of sight. If we look down, then the angle is angle of depression. So here, since we are looking at the top of the tower, the angle is angle of elevation, that is 30 degree. The question is to find the height of the tower. Let that side be x. And now we are getting a right angle triangle in which we have to find x. That side is opposite to 30 degree. The given side is adjacent to 30 degree. Opposite means perpendicular, adjacent means base. So what is the ratio connecting between opposite side and adjacent side, or base and perpendicular? The ratio is tan and the angle is 30 degree. So we are writing tan 30 degree is equal to, tan is perpendicular divided by base or opposite divided by adjacent. That means here x divided by 30. From the trigonometry table we must know what is tan 30 degree. It is 1 by root 3. This is equal to x divided by 30. Cross multiply to get the value of x. We get root 3 times x, root 3x is equal to 1 times 30, that is 30. Therefore what is x? X is equal to 30 divided by root 3. But the denominator is a root number, so we have to rationalize the denominator. How can we do this? We have studied multiply the numerator and denominator with the root number, that is multiply up and down with the root 3. So what we are getting is 30 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 is 3. 3 and 30 we could cancel. Then the answer we are getting is 10 root 3. So what is the height of the tower? The height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack on the string. We are going to draw the triangle by using the information given in the question. First of all, it is given kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. Height we can denote by using a vertical line. Second line, it is given string attached to the kite. So draw a slanting line. Then it is given the inclination of the string with the ground. That means the angle between the string and the ground is 60 degree. So we can see here we are getting a right angle triangle in which we have to find the length of the string means what is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So take x as the hypotenuse, and now we are going to find x by using the given side which is 60 meter, and that is opposite side or perpendicular to the angle 60 degree. What is the ratio connecting between opposite side and hypotenuse? It is sine, and the angle is 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse or opposite divided by hypotenuse. What is the value of sine 60 degree? You must know its value. The value of sine 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2, which is equal to opposite side is 60 divided by hypotenuse is x. That is what we are going to find. Okay, how to find the value of x? Cross multiply. Root 3 times x and 2 times 60. Root 3 times x is root 3x, which is equal to 2 times 60 is 120. Therefore we can find what is x. X is equal to 120 divided by root 3. But here the denominator is a root number. Rationalize the root. We can multiply up and down with the same root number. Multiply with root 3 in numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes 120 times root 3, that is 120 root 3. Denominator becomes root 3 times root 3, that is 3. Cancel 3 with 120, so we get 40. Then the answer we are getting is 40 times root 3, that is 40 root 3. This is the length of the string. Length of the string is 40 root 3 meter. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. We can draw a vertical line to denote the building and a base line to denote the ground. A boy is standing some distance away from the building and his height is 1.5 meter. The boy is standing on the ground and looking at the top of the building. That means the angle of elevation is not an angle with the ground level. We have to draw a horizontal line according to his height and then we have to mark the angle of elevation. See, here is the angle 30 degree. So now we are getting a right angle triangle. Let it be triangle ABC. What is the length of the side AC? AC is equal to total length 30 minus height of the boy, that is 1.5. 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5 meter. So we are getting AC, the side is equal to 28.5. The base, let it be X. Also it is given that as the boy walks towards the building, the angle of elevation increases from 30 to 60 degree. Consider a point nearer to the building, that is D, where the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now the boy is at D and the base we can mark as Y. So we have to find what is the distance he walked. That means what is BD. To find the side BD, we cannot use the trigonometric ratio sine or cos or tan. Why? Because the triangle ABD is not a right angled triangle. We need right angled triangles. We can see two right angled triangles here. They are ABC and ADC. So first consider the right angle triangle ABC. Here the given side is 28.5. This is perpendicular or opposite side. What we have to find? The base, that is X or adjacent side. Now what is the ratio connecting between opposite side and adjacent side? The ratio is tan. Tan and the angle here is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular divided by base or opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is the value of tan 30? Using Trignometry Table, we can see tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So we write 1 by root 3 is equal to opposite side is 28.5 divided by adjacent side is X. Cross multiply to get the value of X. 1 times X, that is X, is equal to 28.5 times root 3, that is 28.5 root 3. What is X? The distance from B to C. Now we have to find the distance from D to C. That means we consider the triangle ADC. Here the given side is 28.5, that is perpendicular or opposite, and we need to find the base, that is Y. So what is the ratio connecting between perpendicular and base? Tan. But the angle here is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular is 28.5 divided by base is Y. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to 28.5 divided by Y. Root 3 we can write as root 3 by 1. Cross multiply. Then we get root 3y is equal to 28.5 or y is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. So now in the picture we can see BC is equal to, that is X equals 28.5 root 3, and DC is equal to, that is Y is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. What about BD? BD is X minus Y. That means BD is the distance the boy walked. So we can write the distance he walked is equal to X minus Y. This is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 divided by root 3. And the first term we can write with one denominator. In the next step we can multiply up and down with root 3. The first term we multiply numerator and denominator with root 3 so that both the fractions are now with the same denominator root 3. So write root 3 and subtract. First term becomes 28.5 times root 3 times root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So we can write 28.5 times 3 minus 28.5. If you want, you can multiply 28.5 with 3 first, and from the answer you can subtract 28.5. Or what I am going to do is, I will take 28.5 as a common factor, and inside the bracket we are getting 3 from the first term minus 1 from the second term, and the denominator is same as it is, we are writing root 3. This is equal to 28.5 times 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 28.5 times 2 in the numerator divided by root 3. What is 28.5 times 2? That is easy calculation. Answer is 57. 57 divided by root 3. Denominator is a root number, so we have to rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator with root 3. And now we are getting 57 times root 3 as numerator, that is 57 root 3. Denominator is root 3 times root 3, which is equal to 3. 3 cancel with the 57. What we are getting is 19 in the numerator side. So the answer we are getting is 19 root 3. This is the distance travelled by the boy, or the distance he walked is 19 root 3 meter. Hope the steps we used to solve the questions 4, 5 and 6 are clear to you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel Math for Me and You. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.